The last several weeks, mid-Missouri has seen various forms of winter precipitation. Areas down to the south and east towards Rolla extending back up towards St. Louis saw a light freezing drizzle. Even though the surface temperatures were well below freezing, some areas seeing single digits. But even a week ago, we saw some graupel with the surface temperatures between 33 and 36 degrees. So what's the difference between these two winter forms of precipitation? Well, typically freezing rain will start out as snowfall, falls down to a warmer than freezing layer, becomes rain, gets down to the surface of the earth, once again freezes as we're seeing a cooler layer, but it's still liquid form until it gets on the surface and stops its motion. That's when it freezes over, forming a solid. Now with graupel, it's a little bit different. Typically temperatures towards the surface of the earth are going to be above that 32-degree mark, while the upper atmosphere is going to be cool enough. So we'll see that rain droplets go back into the cooler layer, eventually going to become a super cooled water droplet, and we're going to see ice crystals starting to form back on it. Eventually, it'll get heavy enough to where it'll fall back out of the Earth's atmosphere into the surface, and that's going to be those white Dippin' Dots looking little things that you'll see. Now, a lot of times, it's kind of similar to the shape of hail, but a lot smaller. A lot of times, it's going to be 0.2 of an inch in diameter or smaller, but as soon as you touch it, usually tend to dissipate. I'm ABC 17 Storm Track meteorologist Chance Gotch.